this vegetarian? What is this? Do you know how to ask these basic questions in Hindi? By the end of this video, you will confidently ask basic questions in Hindi anytime, anywhere. This is lesson 2 of Hindi for beginners with Namaste Hindi. Word that we are going to use is kya. Yaha kya hai? What is this? We have learned the word yaha in previous class. If you have missed it, the link is here. For example, you are traveling in India and you notice something very unique. You ask your travel guide, yaha kya hai? What is this? Waha kya hai? What is that? And your travel guide may reply, yaha Taj Mahal hai, waha palace hai. But here is the tricky part which you probably don't know. But before that, I also conduct one-on-one Hindi classes, group sessions for different levels, and you can also book a free trial session with me. That is where we actually practice speaking together, work on pronunciation, play a lot of games and exercises and activities. All of this to make Hindi real for you so that you speak confidently in real life. Link to book the classes in the description and also in my bio. So now comes the tricky part. If you notice in the examples that I gave you, I have used the word kya in the middle of the sentence, and in English it translates to what. But what if I use that kya in the beginning of the sentence? Coming back to my box, instead of asking yaha kya hai, which actually means what is this, instead if I ask kya yaha sweet box hai. So now I have added the word kya before a statement. The statement being yaha sweet box hai. The moment I add the word kya before that statement, I'm basically questioning the statement that follows. So kya yaha sweet box hai actually translates to, is this a sweet box? The word kya is before the statement. I'm questioning if the statement is true. Is this a sweet box? Kya yaha sweet box hai? For example, if I say kya yaha Delhi airport hai? Is this Delhi airport? Kya yaha vegetarian food hai? Is this vegetarian food? I hope the concept is clear. Feel free to drop in your questions in the comments, and a free exercise sheet for this concept is given in the description. Make sure that you practice that before the lesson 3 of the beginner series with Namaste Hindi comes out. You can subscribe and hit the bell icon so you do not miss the next lesson. Till then, Namaste Hindi.